Well, I put a little bit of weld on those 6 nodes. It took a little bit of doing to, no way I could get a file in there, so I used a chisel to kind of fit the blade. And put the blade on there and nut. Yeah, let's see if I tighten it up. I think that should hold. Because this is stationary and this is what turns, but anyway, seems to be fairly rugged. I'm going to give it a try. It's getting dark out, so I'm going to probably have to use my headlights to try it out. Anyway, that's what I did. I'll let you know how it works. Thanks for watching.